I have a funny name, and my sister has been making fun of it for over a decade. I met my wife's family after we'd been together a year, and her sister was the first family member I met. The very first time we met, she blurted out that I have a girl's name, Sky, and laughed about it. At first it was no big deal. I've been asked before if I felt like my name was a girl's name, and it never bothered me. However, my sister-in-law constantly joked about my name. It got a little annoying, but I brushed it off. We didn't see her much for a while, but she got engaged last year and started hanging around more. That's when things got worse. Her husband asked what she thought of the name Sky for their daughter, and she joked that they couldn't use it because she didn't want me to feel more like a girl than I already do. They announced they decided to name their daughter Sky. Then she joked about putting both Skies in pretty pink dresses when her daughter's born. I told her how tiring it is to always hear her dumb jokes, which aren't even jokes but insults. She called me sensitive, and I told her she's the one who hasn't given up on my name in over a decade. She got mad, and my wife told her she really needed to grow up.